stop. Before you cook your next meal, you need to watch this. Right now, sitting in your kitchen, there are items you use every single day that are slowly releasing toxic chemicals into your food. And the scary part? You probably have no idea. I'm talking about stuff that looks completely normal. Stuff you bought thinking it was safe. Stuff that might have been in your kitchen for years. In this video, I'm revealing the 5 kitchen items you need to throw away immediately. Number 3 shocked me the most, and number 5. Honestly, almost everyone has this in their kitchen right now. Stay until the end because I'm also sharing exactly what to replace these items with so you can protect yourself and your family starting today. Let's get into it. Okay, first up, and this one is in almost every kitchen in America. Your non-stick pans. Now I know what you're thinking, but I love my non-stick pans. Eggs slide right off. Cleanup is so easy. I get it, I really do. But here's what the cookware industry doesn't want you to know. That convenient non-stick coating? It's made with something called PFAS. You might have heard these called forever chemicals. And there's a very scary reason they're called that. PFAS stands for per and polyfluoroalkyl substances. These are man-made chemicals that literally never break down in the environment or in your body. When your non-stick pan gets scratched, when it gets overheated, when that coating starts flaking off, guess where those chemicals go? Directly into your food. Studies have linked PFAS exposure to thyroid disease, liver damage, immunosystemproblems, and even certain types of cancer. A 2022 study found that heating non-stick pans above 500 degrees Fahrenheit releases toxic fumes. And honestly, that temperature is easier to reach than you think. Grab your non-stick pans right now. Seriously, pause this video if you need to. Look for any scratches on the surface, peeling or flaking coating, discoloration or warping, rough patches that used to be smooth. If your pan has any of these signs, it needs to go today. So what should you use instead? Option 1. Cast iron pans. Yes, they require seasoning, but they last literally forever and get better with age. Your great-grandma's cast iron still works perfectly. Option 2. Stainless steel cookware. Professional chefs use this for a reason. Option 3. If you really want non-stick convenience, look for ceramic-coated pans. Just make sure they're PFAS-free and from a reputable brand. I'll link some recommendations in the description below. Look, I know you have that drawer. You know the one I'm talking about? The drawer stuffed with random plastic containers, lids that don't match, takeout containers you saved just in case. Some of these containers might be 5, 10, even 15 years old. And every single time you heat food in them, store hot food in them, or even just use them over and over again, they're releasing chemicals into your food. Here's the deal with plastic. Even BPA-free plastics contain other chemicals like phthalates and BPS that can leach into your food. The FDA says these are safe at low levels. But here's the problem. Those low levels add up fast. Every scratched container, every time you microwave leftovers, every plastic water bottle left in a hot car. A study from the University of Texas found that almost all plastic products release estrogenic chemicals. These mess with your hormones in ways we're only beginning to understand. And older plastic, the more worn, scratched and cloudy it gets, the more chemicals it releases. Here's your action plan. Throw away immediately any plastic container that's cloudy, scratched or stained. Take out containers you've reused multiple times. Plastic containers older than 2 to 3 years. Any plastic that's been microwaved repeatedly, replace with glass containers with snap-lock lids, stainless steel containers. If you must use plastic, only use it for cold storage and never microwave it. Pro tip: those glass meal prep containers, they last forever, they're microwave safe, and your food actually tastes better in them. Okay, this one is going to surprise a lot of people. Remember how I said number 3 shocked me the most? That beautiful vintage dish set you inherited from grandma? Those gorgeous hand-painted plates you bought on vacation? That colourful ceramic mug from the flea market? They might be poisoning you with lead. I'm not being dramatic, this is real. Before 1970, lead was commonly used in ceramic glazes because it made colours brighter and more vibrant. Even after regulations changed, many imported ceramics and handmade pottery still contain dangerous levels of lead. Why this matters? Lead exposure, even in small amounts, is seriously dangerous. In adults, it causes high blood pressure, memory problems, kidney damage, fertility issues. In children, it's even worse. Learning disabilities, developmental delays, behavioral problems. And here's the scary part. Lead exposure is cumulative. There's no safe level. Every little bit adds up over your lifetime. When you serve hot or acidic food on lead-glazed dishes, think tomato sauce, citrus, coffee. The lead leaches directly into what you're eating. How to test your dishes. Good news, you can test your dishes at home. Lead testing kits are available online and at hardware stores for under $15. Swab your dishes, especially the decorated areas and the inside surfaces. If it turns red or pink, that dish contains lead. If your dishes test positive, they need to go, or use them as decoration only, never for food. The hidden danger. Wooden cutting boards are marketed as the healthy, natural choice. And they can be, when properly maintained. But look at this. See these deep knife grooves, these cracks, these stains that won't come out? This is where bacteria hides. Salmonella, E. coli, even toxic mold you can't see. Regular washing doesn't reach these deep crevices. Your dishwasher definitely doesn't. And that musty smell some wooden items get? That's mold. Deep in the wood. It's not going away. Quick action steps. Throw away wooden items with deep cracks or knife grooves. Rough, splintering surfaces. The fix. Replace wooden boards every 1 to 2 years. Oil them monthly with food-grade mineral oil. Never soak them in water. The bacterial nightmare. Finally, number 5. The most common toxic item in every kitchen. Your sponge. A 2017 study from Nature's Scientific Reports found kitchen sponges contain up to 54 billion bacteria per cubic centimetre, dirtier than your toilet seat. And every time you clean dishes, you're spreading bacteria everywhere. But I microwave my sponge. Bad news. Sanitizing only kills about 60% of bacteria. The survivors? They multiply back even stronger. The solution? Simple rule. Replace your sponge every 1 to 2 weeks. No exceptions. Better options. Silicone dish brushes. Swedish dishcloths. Dish brushes with replaceable heads. A pack of sponges costs a few dollars. Your health is worth more. All right, quick recap. 5 items to throw away today. Scratched, non-stick pans. Old plastic containers. Vintage ceramics with lead. Worn wooden cutting boards. Old sponges. That's it. Simple swaps. Massive health benefits. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. Drop a comment. Which item surprised you most? See you in the next one.